Hello everybody. I am Evelyn Cañaveral of Lemery, Batangas, Philippines and an active member of the MMM community. This is my dashboard and I have provided help with the following schedule for the sum of 6,448.74 US dollars with the following schedule of 11/14/2015 of 2,961.81 US dollar, November 29, 2015 of 1,033.60 US dollar, December 12, 2015 of 350 US dollar, and 12/19, 2015 of 530 US dollar, 12/28, 2015 of 350 US dollar, and January 5, 2016 of 723.33 US dollar, and the last February 2, 2015, 2016 of 500 US dollars that sum up to 6,448.74 US dollar, and that gave me the interest of 214.96 per day. I have requested the help of 700 US dollar last February 8, 2016, and the order was created same day. Actually, after I refreshed the browser, the order got created and the Bitcoin is now in my wallet the same day. Long live MMM, together we change the world.